and I could learn that. You can learn that. Everyone can learn that. Kids can learn that. Richard Gordon always mentions that this should be taught in the schools for kids. You can use an even more powerful flow of energy to help people in distance. You can help people who live in different cities, in different countries, in different continents. It doesn't matter where you are and where the person is. The person can be sleeping and you can run energy. What is the price of all of that? The other day, I received a comment where the person was saying that the workshops offered by QuantTouch are expensive. So my question is, what is expensive versus cost benefit? If you think about the benefit you can have with QuantTouch technique, I think the best thing to do is to talk about myself. Not talk about the clients and me, but about my personal life. If you think about the benefits, since when I attended the very first QuantTouch workshop, I could already help my family. If you have pets, you can help your pets. You can help your close friends. You can help your spouse. You can help your relatives. So it's a very good cost benefit. If you have kids, you can help your kids. If you have a wife with a headache, you can help her instantaneously. I could give several examples. It is a very easy technique. You can learn the basics by reading the books, QuantTouch, The Power to Heal. And if you think about the other workshops, about the other breakthroughs Richard Gordon had, for example, QuantTouch Level 2, you can use an even more powerful flow of energy to help people in distance. You can help people who live in different cities, in different countries, in different continents. It doesn't matter where you are and where the person is. The person can be sleeping and you can run energy. I did sessions for people while they were sleeping, and this works. What is the price of all of that, of this technology? We can call this a technology. We think about technology only when you think about this. This is not the only technology that exists. There is a technology in human beings, capacities you don't know, and these capacities is accessible for everyone. It's very simple. You don't need to have special gifts. I don't have any special gifts. I'm not a sensitive person. I don't have anything special. I'm a very regular person, and I could learn that. You can learn that. Everyone can learn that. Kids can learn that. Richard Gordon always mentions that this should be taught in the schools for kids. Now, if you think about everything that I mentioned here, and even more, everything related to that, and you go to QuantTouch website and you see the investment to attend a workshop, it is a very good price. If you still think it is expensive to attend a workshop with these prices there on the website, take a look at the link below, the original workshop with Richard Gordon. It's not possible to consider this something expensive. There is no way. Take a look at the price. It's the original workshop with Richard Gordon. He teaches the level 1 technique. You can already use it and help your loved ones, your family, your kids, your relatives, in general your friends, and it is a very good price. The original workshop with Richard Gordon. Click on the link below on the comments and description of this video and tell me if you still think this is expensive, in case you think it is. Thank you. See you on the next video.